Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, what are you doing now at this time? I think you are doing something well. And now I'm making video at this time. Right now it's afternoon time in my area. Afternoon time. And I thought I can make a video for the viewers right now. And it will be helpful for me because I'm learning English, and besides you can learn English. That's why if you practice like this that I am doing right now, your pronunciation will be so hard, and besides my pronunciation will be so hard, and my pronunciation will be better from right now what I'm saying. That's why I'm working for that, and you can practice like this. Okay, right now I'm just walking beside the pond. There is a pond here. It's a big pond. You can say it's a big pond. And today is windy. What is the meaning of windy? Windy, that means mane onek batash. Windy, that means onek batash aske. So in this area there are so many windy and windy. Right now the weather is windy, and weather is windy, and beside sky is very cloudy. পাশাপাশি আকাশটা হচ্ছে অনেক আজকে মেঘাচ্ছন্ন. Maybe it will be rain after some minutes. আশা করি কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে বৃষ্টি শুরু হতে পারে. And the wind is so windy. It can be stormy অথবা ঝড়ও হইতে পারে, এরকম মানে আবহাওয়া. So in this situation we are feeling so much windy right now, and I'm feeling enjoy. I'm feeling this weather is so much because you know it's sunny today, and besides it's windy is very helpful for the everyone, and I'm feeling so cold right now. And besides I'm practicing at this time, and with me my another brother with me, and he is helping me different way right now, and I'm making a video with my brothers right now. And in such a way every single day, it can be in the morning or afternoon, I try to make a video for uploading my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for all subscribers, all viewers, for supporting me like this, and you are giving so much love, and I'm feeling your love. Okay, thank you so much for that. And you are trying to learn English, and I will give you some tricks how you will learn English easily. Okay, and I will give you some tricks. You can follow that. So first of all, you can learn something, and you can write the easy sentence in your, you can note your exercise book, write the easy sentence. And you have to, what you have to do after writing the easy sentence, after writing the easy sentence, you can practice this kind of sentence. You can say more and more. বারবার আপনি সেই সেন্টেন্সগুলো আপনি রিপিট করতে পারেন. You can say more and more. And easy সেন্টেন্সগুলোর মাধ্যমে আপনি কি ইংরেজি শেখাটা আপনার জার্নিটা শুরু করতে পারেন. And you can follow different kind of easy structure, and this kind of structure you can practice more and more with your partner. I told you that today you can make a partner, and that partner will help you to learn English. And you can talk with your partner, and you can share with your feelings different way with your partner. Right now I think you don't have partner, but you can make your partner. It can be your sister, daughter, and anything, and any person can be your partner. But for learning English you have to make a partner. Okay, so don't worry about that. And learning English not easy, it's not hard, but it will take some times, it will take some month. You have to follow some rules and regulation. Every single day in the morning you have to practice, and you have to listen English at least 30 minutes in a day. And besides you have to conversation with other person, you have to share your feelings with other person, and you have to make this kind of situation that place you can share your feelings. Okay, and another tips I told you in yesterday, that is you can make a video like me. আমার মতো আপনি ভিডিও তৈরি করতে পারেন, and it will be helpful for you a lot. এটা আপনার জন্য অনেক হেল্পফুল হবে, ঠিক আছে? কারণ আপনি যখন আপনি ক্যামেরার সামনে আসবেন, when you will come front of the camera and you will make video, that time it will help a lot for you, and you will think about English, and that time recent English is very important. যখন আপনি ক্যামেরার সামনে এসে থিঙ্কিং করবেন, কথাগুলো বলবেন, তখন দেখবেন আপনি চিন্তা করে যে ইংলিশগুলো বলতেছেন, that is very helpful for you for learning English, okay? And if you make this kind of situation, আপনি যদি এরকম পরিস্থিতি তৈরি করেন, তাহলে কিন্তু আপনি you can learn English easily. But if you don't make this kind of situation, you can't learn English, because this is our area in Bangladesh. It's not there are so many English learner, there are so many not English learner. সবাই কিন্তু এখানে আপনার ইংরেজি শিখে না, ইংরেজিতে কথা বলে না, সবাই বাংলা প্র্যাকটিস করে, বাংলা কথা বলে। আমরা দেখা গেছে যখন কথাবার্তা বলি তখন সবার সাথে বাংলা কথা বলি, সবার সাথে বাংলাতে মিশে যাই, যার কারণে আমাদের ইংরেজি শেখাটা হয় না। বাট you have to follow this situation, you have to follow these rules and regulation. আপনাকে চিন্তা করতে হবে ইংরেজিতে, you have to think in English, and you have to conversation in English with other person. That's why you have to make a partner. So guys, at the end of the video I want to say something, that is, and you can pray 5 times. I say every single day that আপনি 5 ওয়াক্ত নামাজ পড়বেন, you will pray 5 times. That is very important for you. It's your responsibility to pray 5 times, because you have to answer to Allah. আল্লাহর কাছে আপনাকে জবাব দিতে হবে, right? So in the next world definitely you have to go and you have to answer what did you do in the world. আপনি এই জগতে কি করেছিলেন সেই সম্বন্ধে you have to say in the next world, right? So pray 5 times and take care of your family, এবং পরিবারের সেবা যত্ন করবেন, and you will listen your father and mother, তাদের কথা ঠিকমতো শুনবেন। Take care, bye bye. I will see you with the new video. Allah Hafiz.